Hey, welcome back. So while we are creating our React components, you may have noticed that we have used a wrapper div while rendering our array elements or our array of JSX. So what would happen if I don't use this div over here? It's gonna say that your JSX must always have a single parent. So that is why we used a div over here. Now, when you're using a div here, just for the sake of JSX's requirements, now that is going to directly reflect over here as well. We're going to have a set of empty divs over here, which is not really something that we need. So how can you avoid this? What you can do here is you can use something known as react.fragments and close the react.fragment here. And now our labels and inputs are directly there without a wrapper div. Now you can see that we don't have an error because we're using a React fragment to wrap around these. And you're technically not returning a single element. Like technically you are returning a single React element, but then when you go look at the real DOM, you don't have a mediator or a wrapper div or a wrapper component between these two. So that's how you can use React fragments to take care of this. Now, React fragments also have a shorthand syntax, that is the newer syntax available. All you have to do is simply open and close a tag like this. Uh, it's not really practical in this specific scenario because we need our keys to be available here as well, and you can't put a key in while using the shorthand syntax. So here you're gonna need react.fragment itself, but there might be other situations such as your entire component having multiple nodes inside them where you can simply use the shorthand syntax instead. Now, it is to be noted that React has this for a reason, and you're probably better off having splitting your components in a way that it would always have a single parent. Now, in the special cases where you don't want to do that or where you don't feel like that is appropriate, you can use React fragments. But I would personally recommend that you don't use React fragments as much as you can and to split your components in a better manner so that you don't have to use React fragments. Cool. So that's it for this lesson. See you in the next lesson.